In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink email from Genshin Impact account. We'll walk through this using the official HoYoverse account site, since your Genshin Impact login is managed there. Start by opening your browser and heading to the HoYoverse account website. On the landing page, select Log In. You'll be prompted to enter your username or the email currently linked to your account, followed by your password. When you're ready, click Log In to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, look for the account management area and choose Manage. This takes you to your personal information page. Find the section labeled Email Address. This shows the address currently linked to your HoYoverse account. To replace it, effectively unlinking the old email, click Change Email. A verification step will appear to confirm that you're the account owner. Click Send to request a code. You'll likely be asked to complete a quick CAPTCHA to prove you're not a bot. Go ahead and solve that. When the CAPTCHA is done, click OK to proceed. Now check the inbox of your currently linked email for the verification code from HoYoverse. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh, check your spam or junk folders, and make sure your mailbox isn't filtering automated messages. Back on the HoYoverse page, enter the verification code exactly as shown, then select Next. You'll now be asked to provide the new email address you want to link to your HoYoverse account. Type the new address carefully to avoid typos, as this will become your new login contact. Once entered, click the highlighted button to proceed. Then click Send to initiate the verification for the new address. This action triggers a confirmation step to move your account from the old email to the new one, which is what accomplishes the unlinking and relinking process. A few tips to make this smooth. Do this on a trusted device and network so you don't get slowed down by extra security checks. Keep your email inbox open in another tab so you can get codes quickly. And remember that codes usually expire after a short time. If your inbox uses filters, add HoYoverse to your safe senders list. And if you no longer have access to the old email, you may need to reach out to HoYoverse support for ownership verification before changes can be made. That's it. You've navigated from logging in through verification to updating the linked email, which effectively unlinks the old address from your Genshin Impact account.